Do you want to know how to earn money by just searching on Google? No worries, I will show you how it's done. I know that a lot of you guys use Google every single day, but do you know that you can make a lot of money by using that? Welcome to Finance Hub. Today, I will teach you how you can make $50 up to $200 in just minutes by using Google. And I know that a lot of people out there are gonna hate me for doing this video because they are making a lot of money on this website and they don't want other people to know about their secret. But hey, I want to show you subscribers all the tricks and artistic ways to make money online. And I just discovered this method and I felt the urge to share this with you because I want to help you get big money and offer value on this channel. And this is not some sales video. Some video, they're gonna pitch you to buy some products and stuff like that. But none of that here. Here is just a pure value on this channel, and I want you to pay really close attention to this video and watch every single second of this video because it's gonna be filled with a lot of value that you don't want to miss out on. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever there is a new video. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we do is we go to the website called Askwondercom, and this is not some sponsor or affiliate in my videos. I'm not going to get paid or get any compensation for doing this. Okay, so when you get on this website, basically this company offers you is an opportunity that you can become an analyst or researcher on this website. And this company has been here for years, and they'll be working with some other big companies like here. As you can see, there is General Electric. So you can know that they are legit. And I'll show you all the details on how you can do this. There are actually two ways we can do this. And this is how other people are making a lot on this website. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see from here, we can find different jobs and different research questions. Meaning that a lot of people out there are lazy. They want to know answers to a certain question, but they don't want to research it themselves. So this is basically what we will be taking advantage of today. Because of these types of people, we're gonna do their job and we are gonna get paid. So there are a lot of questions that people are looking for answers like how long is the journey going from point A to point B, or how many days do I have to lose 20 pounds as a normal average 30-year-old? And there are more to these types of questions that people want answers to. And they are just too lazy to go out there and find answers. So that's an opportunity for us to jump on. And here, we could answer those questions and we can make hundreds of dollars by using Google. So, I'll show you how to do that by doing these 4 simple steps to begin earning money on this website. But before that, I'll teach you how to sign up. So, all you have to do is just click on this Become a Researcher button on the top right corner. Click on this and you'll land on this page right here. So on this page, you will fill in your details like your name, your email address, and your password. And select the city where you live. And you can see right here that there are a lot of opportunities for us because as you can see, there are a lot of different countries to choose from. And right after that, just click on this I'm not a robot button and click on I agree to the terms and conditions and start the application. This is really simple and it takes about 20 seconds to do so. And now, I will show you the 4 simple steps to begin earning money on Askwonder.com. First off, you have to visit the research dashboard when you are ready to start working. So after you sign up, you will need to find different jobs and different research topics that you can pick on, and I'll show you how to pick profitable questions as well. So once you find a topic, you have to apply to that and they will assign that research topic to you. Right after that, you will need to do the actual research and synthesize your findings. So basically this means that we're gonna make it into a shorter format, and I will show you that as well. and then you can finally submit your work and celebrate your earnings. So that is the 4 simple steps we have to take. And you don't need to worry. I will demonstrate all of these later together with another extra step that we could use to kind of automate this process. A lot of people don't know about this opportunity, and also I would say that none of them know about the trick that I'm going to show you later. So let me show you some examples of the research topic that you might get on this company. So this one, for example, what are the latest trends in food and beverage industry? So in our own minds, we wouldn't know the answer to these, but we have a solution for that. We are going to use Google to find the answers for these types of questions. So all we have to do is copy this question and paste it on Google. So right now, as you can see, there are tons of answers for this question. So all we have to do is collect these pieces of information. So what you can do as well is open up these top 10 websites that appear on this list and then paste the information you found into Google Docs. So once you're in Google Docs, just press this start a blank document and you can get started from that and paste the information that you've found. You can also use different word processors such as Microsoft Word or whatever you might have. And right after that, you're going to need to summarize and shorten these findings. But before that, I'm gonna show you an example of what it's gonna look like when it's shortened or summarized. If we go back to the question here on Askwonder, we just have to press View right here next to the question, and as you can see, all you have to do is make it into something like this. And as you can see, all of these answers right here, they look this up on Google. The answers are just usually on different blog posts and different websites. So these guys are basically just earning by searching on Google, right? Just for like 200 to 300 words, you earn like $50, $100, or $200. So by doing this, Askwonder will pay you money. So I suggest you take this opportunity right now. And if that doesn't cut it for you, there's even another way to simplify this thing. And I'm going to show you that right now. I know it's gonna be boring to just copy and paste and then especially shortening these answers, so I'm gonna provide you another way to automate this process. So all we have to do is go to Microworkers.com, and this website is for people finding some jobs and making some money. But for now, we will provide the jobs for some people to reduce the burden of having to do the research ourselves. So it's like being the employer. When we go here, we can find different people looking for different type of jobs, like data collection or data gathering, which is perfect for us because we can make them do our work at Askwonder. And we can only pay those people like 10 cents, 20 cents, or 30 cents. So basically, we're gonna get as much as work from Askwonder and then delegate these tasks to the people we've hired here on Microworkers. And these people don't mind earning this much because they need the income as well, so it's a win-win situation. And when they are done with the task you gave them, you can now sell that information on Askwonder. It's that simple, right? So imagine that just from a few cents, you can make hundreds of dollars. So I suggest that you take advantage of this website as well. So before we end this video, let's have a quick recap of what we've learned today. First, apply as a researcher at Askwonder.com. Next, look for research topics or questions. And right after that, we go to Google and search for the answers for these questions, and then we put them into Google Docs. And then we summarize the findings, and then we send them back to Askwonder. And also the optional step, yet the easiest, is just to simply hire people at Microworkers for a cheap amount of money and then send the information they gathered to Askwonder. So it's that simple. I hope you've learned a lot from us today. And again, if you like these types of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell as well so you don't get left behind on more money-making tips. And I'll see you in the next video.